To Honorable Raymond C. Uy, the City Mayor of Calbayog, Honorable Rex Taguman, the Vice Mayor, and the members of the City Council, to our very own Regional Director, Director Evan R. Calvero, our host division, headed by Dr. Margarito Canayuda, our key officials of DepEd Region 8, most especially our delegation heads, our schools division superintendents, and Assistant Schools Division Superintendents, our valued media friends, honorable judges, stakeholders, parents, coaches, and campus journalists, maupay kakulog aton nga. I feel honored and privileged to welcome you all to the 2024 Regional Schools Press Conference. This year's theme, Aligning Campus Journalism with the Matatag Agenda, underscores our commitment and dedication to support the department's efforts to uplift the quality of basic education. This is an occasion for all of us to come together not only to compete but to celebrate success. This goes without saying that the RSPC is among the most awaited occasions of our campus journalists, as it provides them with an opportunity to showcase their journalism skills, share their thoughts on various societal issues, and forge friendship with their peers. Indeed, this activity is instrumental in promoting holistic development of our learners. DepEd Region 8 truly believes that good education plays a crucial role in building a bright future for our children. Therefore, here we are committed to providing an atmosphere for our students where they all can imbibe good values and learn new things from this activity. I am truly glad that every one of us here, especially our teachers, in leaving no stone unturned in working towards this direction. Through the RSPC, we get a chance to celebrate success achieved by our campus journalists through the sheer hard work and perseverance of both our students as well as coaches. With this, allow me to extend my deepest gratitude to the host local government unit under the able leadership of Honorable Raymond C. Uy. Let us give a round of applause to Mayor Uy and the members of the City Council. Your strong support and dedication have paved the way for this momentous event. Thank you so much for joining hands with DepEd in developing talents and skills of our young journalists, and we are honored to be the beneficiaries of your generosity and vision. Siya rin pa kanina ni Mayor, medyo mabungkat pabursa ang mga LGU kay sunod-sunod ang aton mga activities. Nauban pala kita ang RFOT in Catbalogan City, then we are here for the RSPC 2024, then pag-abot itong May 5, madiritso naman natin ni Gato, Ormoc City for the EBRA 2024. I also like to express our sincere appreciation to the host division, led by Dr. Margarito Canayuda Jr., the Schools Division Superintendent of Calbayog City Division. Your guidance and tireless efforts in organizing this conference have been instrumental in its success. Thank you for inspiring the entire RSPC committee. DepEd has always provided the learners with a healthy and competitive environment to help them grow in every sphere of activity, be it academics, sports, or any other extracurricular role. We have given equal opportunities to all our students so that they may realize their true potential and prepare them for the real and bolder world. And I'm very much pleased to see our campus journalists performing and excelling in their respective areas of interest. I commend the teachers and parents for their support and efforts to prepare our students for this regional schools press conference. Whatever our students have achieved so far would never have been possible without your constant endeavor. To our campus journalists, to
Congratulations in advance. Always strive to give your best in everything that you do. Work hard and give your best shot. To Mayor Uy, an entire DepEd family, dumayon na Hakalbayog City. Mapay na gabi, ating